What's up, J Crew? Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to be working on the Trailblazer. You're gonna need a little minor things fixed, but you know, I was in the pool and then I went straight into the AC like a dummy, and and now I talk like this. But today we are going to be working on the Trailblazer. And I just discovered, hold on. I just discovered that I need a water pump, which I ordered, and I'm waiting for that to be delivered today. But I do have the clutch fan right here. So this is an eBay part. So we'll see how it holds up. But this is the water pump, and it's dripping, as you can see. But so let's just jump into this video and see how it goes. Oh, by the way, I had a video lined up before this video of working on this truck right here. It was about like finding out the maintenance and stuff on the BMW, and I was working on my cousin's Buick LeSabre. And I was going to buy parts for this truck right here from Pull and Go, like the dashboard, dash thingy and stuff like that. But I might just still post that, but I'm gonna post it in like a later video. But it's gonna be like off because I'm gonna be uploading this video of working on this Trailblazer right here. So it's gonna be a backwards video. Oh yeah, by the way, I have bought a van, so you guys will be seeing that video after this video. So stay tuned for that. All right, so let's get it started. It's a 10 millimeter, of course. Loosen them up. All right, that was more coolant than I thought that I wanted to come out. But as you can hear, I don't know if you can hear it, but bearings in that probably shot. So I'll just take off. And I thought I would have needed what's the other thing? The gasket. Like sealant gasket, but apparently not, because I didn't see none on this. So I'm just gonna put that one on without like having sealant on it. Water pump right here. See? Let's see how eBay stuff holds up. So, got it. All right, water pump is on. You know what? One thing I hate about, like, I'm scared of these things because this is like connected to like basically the timing crap thing. If one of these bolts break, then you're out of luck. So now let's put the drive belt thingy back on this thing right here. All right, the fan is, the belt is on. So now let's tighten these up a little bit. Tight. Click. Click. That's my mom if y'all want to. And click. Let's try to put this broken fan. I had to stop for a bit because it started raining, but I'm back at it. All right, so now let's twist this bad boy on. I think I do have a slight problem, which I'm not too worried about. But I'll show you in a minute. And she's on. Oh yeah. But now I will have to get a radiator because you can see like little bubbles. I don't know if you can see that. It's like bubbles coming from the bottom of the radiator. But overall, if I don't see no leaks, which I don't, that right there is from the rain. So, oh, yes. Oh, let me check the AC. Let me see if the AC is working on it. And I do have cold AC, but this side right here isn't working on this side right here. But this side right here is working perfectly. And it's cold. Oh, it feels so good. There you go. There's all that. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna take it for a test drive real quick. All right, so far so good. She is holding her temp like she's supposed to, and she's driving smooth and everything. As you can see, it's drizzling, but yeah, she's holding up pretty nice, pretty nice. Got the cold AC on, well, half AC on because this side is hot, but I turned them off and I turned those on high, so I'm good. Very comfortable. So I'm gonna go get me something to drink and probably close out this video. All right, I've been driving for probably an hour. It did go up a little bit, but when I start driving on the highway, it just goes right back to the middle. So I'm not too concerned about that. But I am gonna get the what you call that thing? The radiator for, I'm still gonna get that, of course. And as you can see, the oil, it wasn't doing that before, so I think it's something the fault with this gauge cluster, because it'll do that, but when I hit the gas, it go right back up. So it's nothing too worrisome because the truck running fine. So yeah. All right, let me get this home. So yeah, so now it's back where it's supposed to be, but I'm just gonna have to get the oil thing checked. Probably just the sensor, but you know. Well, then she was running fine for an hour or two, but now she's back to the original spot. So yeah. Well, it is kind of humid, so I understand that it's gonna get heated up a little bit, but yeah, I'm finna go in this house and take me a shower and just relax and Google all this up and yeah, see, she's sitting idle and the temperature gauge is the same spot. I definitely might have to put the top piece on the shroud because I think all the air is escaping from cooling the radiator down. So I'm gonna have to put that back on, make sure, but you know, so yeah. All right, so guys, if you guys like this short video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below and tell me what you think, and see you guys in the next video.